everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Violet and this is my Kaik Parrot Pepper. I'm very excited about today's video because I was sent this super cool play tent from Lavievert to review and assemble. The best part about it is they are going to give me a coupon code and an affiliate link. It can be good for everyone. Please check out in the description below because it's going to be good, jolly, happy times. You guys can have a super cool playhouse for some nice wintertime holiday cheer. Or perhaps a very nice playhouse for those weekend sleepovers when you're like, what do I do with my children? They're driving me crazy. Put them in a tent and then put lots of books in the tent and then they'll leave you alone. It's good times. Everybody wins. Lavievert has a lot of really cool products, but the tent appealed most to me because it actually addresses something I'm learning about in school right now. And that is constructivism, okay? So that great big $5 word is a topic that I'm learning about in my Bachelor of Education. It is a philosophy of learning where you will, the idea is that you construct your own knowledge, that every individual is going to figure out what they need to know, situations, reasons.
Can I talk about Harry Potter now?
Sure, talk about Harry Potter. You have 10 seconds.
I'm on the third one, and I started at the end of October.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Cool. So back to constructivism. What I wanted to do was get my kids to put the tent together by themselves and have a truly constructive activity, all right? So the other form of teaching we're learning a lot about is direct instruction, where it's I do, we do, you do. But constructivism, I'm like, here you go, good luck. So join me as we see what happens when we give a bunch of children of different ages and stages a task with no directions. And let's see how this goes, okay? Clearly we succeeded. I mean, you can tell because there's a tent here. Do you want to climb on the tent? Isn't it pretty? All right, let me introduce the crew. We've got Noelle, age 8, Beowulf, age 5, and Marigold, age 3. All of them are going to work together today to build this really super cool Lavievert tent. I think this is a constructivist activity because I have truly left it up to them, but supplied them with the materials and the resources to figure it out on their own should they need some help. I am there. Does that make sense? They have what they need no matter what. But I am not saying, this is what we're going to do it this way. I'm saying, hey, look at all this stuff. Can you figure out what to do with it? See, Mary, she knows how to use a stick, right? So you got a stick and you hit things with it. Good job, Mary. And Beowulf, well, he's a bit more practical. He's like, all right, so we got this big tarp thing. And I was like, is there any hints in the pillowcase? And they're working on it. They're working really hard. And already you can see I've addressed teacher's facilitator because here I am, teaching them how to build a tent by just kind of providing them with a tent and watching the fun. Now, Marigold's still pretty sure that what she needs to do is hold on to the sticks. And, well, I do have a recipe, as you can see. We'll see what we do with that. But for now, Marigold's very happy to just bump around. Wolfie's getting in on the action too, because clearly the best part of having a tent is playing with sticks. Oh, and Noelle has figured it out. She's going to make super long sticks. All right, so she's got the little elbow joints. Is that what they're called? The attachers in the middle. She's putting them together. This is great. So what we're seeing here is social negotiation in this constructivism situation. They are learning from each other and figuring it out and working as a team. Marigold's given up her sticks. She's willing to share. How wonderful. Okay. So multiple perspectives in this situation is also a possible attribute helping to their success. So the 8-year-old, she knows how to read, so she's able to look at the instructions. But Beowulf, I mean, he can't read yet, and he is kind of just happy to mess around and have fun. Like, he's got the pillowcase, he's trying to build a pillowcase. That's important to him right now. And Marigold, she sees the flags as very significant, so she can focus on that. Now Noelle's too short, so she's brought me in to help out. So I guess this isn't purely you're on your own, kids, but you've got a very facilitating teacher here. We're going to get the poles in, and I'm following her instructions, by the way. She's saying, do this. And I'm like, all right, cool, you got it. What is the individual accountability here? Well, no individual accountability in this constructivism exercise. We're all just working together, and I mean, I guess at the end of the day, if someone runs off with the flags or the pillow or the great big sticks that we're putting in the teepee, then we wouldn't have a standing unit. So everyone is accountable to paying attention and not losing pieces. All right. And Noelle seems to be accountable for directing this activity. So is it truly constructivism? Because we have people of different abilities and different ages and different skill sets. So they are noticing different aspects of the project, but they're not all contributing equally, and their learning is thusly not equal. Honestly, I won the lottery with my kids. I mean, Marigold is getting the lint off the couch for us. This is awesome. So is Noelle. Perfect. We've got the flags and everything's just going super awesome. We're getting this done. Life is good. Beowulf's checking the instructions because he knows what's up. So a really important aspect to constructivism is this a realistic situation? And I'd say yes, absolutely. Children do like to build play tents, and this is useful. I mean, if they went camping and got lost, it would be great if they could make themselves a shelter. Maybe one that doesn't hide them too much, though, because we'd like to be able to find them and help them escape from the lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. So, as you can see, at this point, I've really had to kind of take over the project, which is unfortunate. Maybe I should have just got Noelle a stool and said good luck, because it doesn't help her learning for me to figure out how to tie it together and hold everything together. It helps my learning, but it doesn't teach her how to do that. So I've taken some of the independence out of this constructivist activity, and I've kind of taken over. Suboptimal, but as you can see, they are all still fully engaged, immersed, and they have high stakes in what is happening. They won't leave me alone. They need to be a part of this. This is their tent. They need to arrange the flag just so. They are already going for it. They're going in. It's time. The tent is done as far as they're concerned. They have no more interest in building. They now want to play. So I think this is an incredibly realistic and appropriate activity to demonstrate constructivism and learning in kiddos. What did they learn? Well, I think they learned how to put poles together that can go into a tent. I think Noelle learned how to follow instructions, and I think Marigold learned how sticks can be used for more than just hitting things. She also learned how to use a lint roller. Good times. As you can see, constructivism is complicated and not straightforward, but it is a lot of fun. This tent was a super awesome surprise. I think that if your kids are looking for a nice way to spend an afternoon building one of these things, take some time. It's a structured, it's an unstructured activity where they get to see what they know and learn some things. It's complicated enough, you do need an adult to help out, but ultimately it's really fun to see what kids do when you give them freedom to do what they want to do.
Yeah.
So, what are they gonna do? Can they figure this out? Are they smart enough? Can they science this up?
Probably not.
Who knows? All right, so Noelle's gonna tell us what she thinks of the teepee. Mind you, she's 8 years old. But tell them about the teepee.
The teepee is fun, and when you're inside, you get to see that everything is exciting. You also get to know when you're inside, you get to have fun. For some reason, Pepper's just scared of the stuffy too.
Scary stuffy. Is there anything you don't like about the teepee, Noelle?
No.
She likes everything. Well, I've got something I don't like about the teepee. It's very annoying to move around the room. The sticks don't hold together. You basically need to put lots of blankets and pillows inside the teepee, so when you move it around, it doesn't kind of fold in on itself. Yeah. It's a really nice thick canvas material, so very nice quality, with lots of pockets for books, and it's got windows on the side, so kiddos have a lot of fun peeking and playing and hiding. Now, Pepper really hates going inside the teepee. Watch this. Oh, I've got a cat in here. That's maybe why. There's a cat in our teepee.
Sprockets! I don't think the bird doesn't mind it. When Sprockets in here, she really goes into crazy.
Thank you so much for checking out my super cool video with this super cool Lavievert teepee tent. Links are below. Make sure you buy one if you want one, because I've got an Amazon affiliate link. And that's like 5 cents, 0 cents, 1 cent. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm busy, but I'll be here.
Bye, everybody. Say bye to Sprockets.
Wow.